get into the next round, so that's okay.
Alright. Coach, 2 games, 4 goals scored, conceding 1. You think you guys would have fixed the issue that you have last year, conceding goals? Now you guys have a solid defense and pushing on and keep on scoring goals?
Well, the reality is that the team that is playing now is the same team that was playing last year, minus 1 defender. We just started them very young. We focused on attacking last year. And this year we've combined both as they're much bigger, stronger, and very unified in their approach, very coachable. So with my coaching staff, we'll be able to work together and get it right. You know, Byron Nunes and Dane Peralta, very good footballers and intelligent sportsmen, so we're able to handle it.
Playing a lot more direct now. We know that you're a direct coach, counter press. But this game today was a heavily direct, not much passing, a bit more direct. Was that an instruction from you, or just the players just get carried away based of the opponent?
Well, if you notice, when we're talking, we're speaking about phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, plan the entire thing. You know, we'd score, we'd press, we'd score, then we would lock the back line and keep the ball, and then we would just park the bus. Once the bus was parked, there was no way they were going to get through, and I think that was excellent. I think the boys were able to deliver, executed. If you notice, with double sub, we took off our wingers, and the wingers did very well. Sean came on and did well, and so for me, I'm very happy with the result of the team and the game plans.
Romario and Thomas was excellent in midfield today. Maybe this is his type of game, a more direct and physical game for him. What's a quality player like that in your midfield? How important is he to your success so far and going forward?
It's ironic that you said that he was in midfield, he was playing right wing.
He was all over the pitch.
He was playing right wing, but the way that we play, because we transition a lot, you know, it will look like he's playing on the inside, but he's actually coming from outside inside with overlapping wing backs and so I'm very happy with him. You know, he has cannons for feet and he has discipline, and we have a very unified family here. You know, this is not a team, it's a family, and so we're happy with what's going forward, and I think that he and Denzel and Dante and Robina Gordon and our goalkeeper, best goalkeeper in the island by far.
And you think the team has what it takes now to take home the trophy?
Of course, absolutely. I think they have it. I think they're stronger, mature. The European tour, playing against professionals, really helped to mold them into a stronger unit defensively, and you know, understanding systems and blocks and those things. So if you notice, the team has played at least 4 or 5 different ways this season, and that's what I like. You know, what do you think, Byron?
Just like that. We play really good football. We can adapt to any situation. That's not really a problem. But in today's game, it was a game that, you know, when you're a good team, you can come to anybody's home and play with aggression. And we were ahead in terms of about 64%. Even the first half, that's why we get goal, you know. Good teams can come at anybody's home and play good. First half, we are at our home, you know. So it's a very positive team.
And if you really look at the St. Catherine team that came out today, they came out to play physical football. They came out to play hard. So you can't be playing dainty, skillful football against a team that's coming to kick you.
And so, they have the quality.
Yeah, and they have the quality to play hard. They're a defensive team, so we were able to show them that we can play it.
All right, coach. Congrats, sir.